Meet Karen. She's having a dinner party in 2 days, and she has lots to do. She wants to do a little decorating, too. She's thinking of giving her guests a framed picture of the last time they were together, but she doesn't want to spend a mint for the frames. And she wants to have a piece of art she bought last month matted, framed, and hung in her living room before the party. She knows exactly where to go, the Frugal Framer. She also knows, in most cases, the Frugal Framer will frame the art and deliver it the next day. She had great fun wandering through the store, and after selecting a beautiful silk tree and framed picture for her dining room, the Frugal Framer delivered it all in time for her party. Custom and locally made, right in the Frugal Framer store. The Frugal Framer will even hang it on the wall in most cases, and her husband loves that. Frugal Framer, with 3 locations: Stewart, Jensen, Vero Beach.